A warm greetings to everyone. Agriculture Makers in Mission IBPS AFO welcomes you. In this video, we are going to see the important questions for IBPS AFO in Agronomy Part 2. Come on, let's get into the video. Looney Shri is a variety of super rice. Next to this, in rice field, ammoniacal fertilizer should be applied in the reduced zone. Likewise, nitrate fertilizer should be applied in the oxidized zone. Cross plowing the young rice after 4 to 6 weeks with a light country plow in 5 to 10 centimeters standing water is said to be bushing. Bushing is the cross plowing of young rice crop 4 to 6 weeks after sowing with a light country plow. Next to this, dwarfing agent applied for wheat crop is Psychocell, which is a growth retardant. Most primitive type of corn is said to be the pod corn, whose scientific name is Ziames varieties unicata. The sorghum grain is rich in leucine and it is said to be poor in lysine. Keep in mind, the sorghum grain is rich in leucine and poor in lysine, and it is also known as the camel crop as it is much of drought tolerant in nature. Artificial ripening of sugarcane is done through Polaris and glyphosine. Next to this, which crop among the pulses has low harvesting index? It is Pigeon P actually, Cajanus cajan, and it is only 19%. The harvesting index is. The vector of sterility mosaic in Pigeon P is Eriophyid mite. It is one of the major disease in Pigeon P caused by the virus, and the vector is said to be Eriophyid mite. Acid that is used for delinting is in cotton is it is sulfuric acid H2SO4 in the ratio of 1 is to 10. 1 kg of sulfuric acid along with 10 kg of cotton seed. 1 kg or 1 liter, whatever it may be. Crinkle leaf of cotton is due to manganese deficiency, and also little leaf of cotton is due to zeaxanthin deficiency. You have to read all along so that it will be in your mind. Crinkle leaf is due to manganese deficiency and little leaf is due to zinc deficiency. The vector for Sesamum phyllodes is leaf hopper. The vector for Sesamum phyllodes is leaf hopper. Fiber maturity in cotton is measured by areolometer. The linseed used for fiber purpose is said to be flax or linen. In abroad, it is said as flax fiber, and in India, it is said as linen. Pollination in sunflower is mediated by honeybees. Crops which require preparatory tillage is said to be arable crops as it requires aeration, so that we are doing preparatory tillage. An example for this is rice, potato, etc. The leaves and flower of buckwheat contains the chemical rutin, and buckwheat is said to be fall cereal, and it belongs to the family Polygonaceae. You have to keep in mind this. The leaves and flower of buckwheat contains rutin. The fruit type of rice and wheat is said to be Caryopsis. Rough seedbed is required for chickpea. It is Caesar aritinium. Actually, rough seedbed requires because for the seed to germinate, aeration is said to be important in case of chickpea. When compared to other crops, they will be requiring a fine tilth of soil. But in chickpea, it requires a rough seed bed so that aeration will be there for the seed to germinate. Next to this, delayed planting of chickpea increases the incidence of bollworm, which is here pod borer, that is Helicoverpa armigera, which is said to be bollworm in case of cotton, and in case of chickpea, it is pod borer, Helicoverpa armigera. Early and shallow sown crop in chickpea is more liable to wilt disease. That is, early and shallow sown crop leads to wilt disease, and delayed planting, other late sowing crop leads to incidence of Helicoverpa. Extra early maturing variety of PGNP. It is Prabhat. Prabhat is the PGNP variety which is extra early maturing in nature. Next to this, cotton is highly sensitive to the spray drift of 2,4-D and glyphosate. Both these chemicals are said to produce spray drift effect in cotton. Cotton fiber is an elongation of epidermal cells. Actually, cotton fiber is a epidermal cell elongation of the seed coat. Cultivation of such crops which have different natural habits and zero competition is known as parallel cropping, which means they will not hinder one another and they will not compete one another for food, nutrition, growth habits, space, etc. Instead, they will be growing as a synergetic crop. So it is said to be parallel cropping, and one crop doesn't augment the other and the other crop doesn't augment this crop. Instead, they will have a separate lifestyle of growing, and this is said to be parallel cropping. With this, I'm concluding. I think the video will be very much useful to you. Few more important questions will be updated in the next videos, and whatever you want, just comment it so that I will keep posting. I think you will be getting an idea over the questions which are important for the IBPS AFO examination. And keep everything in mind. Read, revise, stay, shine. Thank you.